We are pleased to show you the 2019 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.